In this video, I'm going to talk about dictionary comprehension in Python. So what is dictionary comprehension? Dictionary comprehension is a concise way to create dictionaries. You use it to create a dictionary from an existing iterable like list or another dictionary in a single line of code. And this is the syntax, dict name or dictionary name, and the key expression, colon, value expression for key. This is the for loop. So key, value, iterable, and this one here, the if conditional, is optional. So again, key expression, value expression, the for loop, and then the iterable. So iterable, like I said, it can be a list or another dictionary, and the optional if conditional. And I have the Netmiko script that I will use to basically demo how we can create a dictionary comprehension using a existing dictionary. Okay, so let me go ahead and get into the IPython interactive shell. And I'm going to just copy and paste this line of code. And this is how we define the dictionary. So we have the router name or device name and the parameters. So same here, device name, parameters. So this is how you define a dictionary. And the name of the dictionary is devices, or we are storing the dictionary in a variable called devices. Okay, so let's get into using a dictionary comprehension to get the device hostname and their show IP BGP sum outputs. So this is a example of dictionary comprehension syntax. So we have the device key. And actually, let me go ahead and just explain this part here. So what we are doing here is we are using dictionary comprehension to get device host names and their show IP BGP sum outputs. That's what we are doing with this line of code. So device key, this is the host name, and this is the key, the host name and the key. And this here, this is the output of the show IP BGP sum, and this is the value. And of course, the for loop. So for device key, device value in iterable. So in this case, we are using the items method because this is device is a dictionary for us to retrieve both the key and the value. So let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. Let me do this first. Okay, and let me do this again. Okay, now it works. So I just have to disconnect the previous connections that I was doing before making this video. So now, after I enter this line of code, it works. So now if we print, so in this case, I'm using the pprint function, and I had to import the pprint module. So let's see the output of this dictionary. So now we see that we have the host name and the value. So meaning the value is the output of the show IP BGP sum. And this is the first router or device. And this here is the second device. And let me just go ahead and disconnect from the devices. Okay, so that's how you can use a dictionary comprehension to basically create another dictionary based on your existing dictionaries. And in this case, we were able to get the device host names and their show IP BGP sum outputs. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.